Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign in to Gemini AI. Now let's begin. Initially on any browser of your choice, let us search for gemini.google.com. And once the web page has loaded, it will look something like this. On the navbar, it will prompt you to either try Gemini Advanced or look at the FAQs or sign in. Since we want to sign in, let's click on sign in right now. To sign in to Gemini AI is not that tough. You only need to log in to your Google account. Now let me input my email address. I have entered it, so let's click on next. Now again, enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, there is always the option of clicking this forgot password button. After everything's done, click on next. And there you have it guys, that's how you sign in to Gemini AI. Thanks for tuning in, we appreciate your time. For more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.